Welcome back, guys. Are you ready for another fun and fact-filled video? Today, it's all about body systems. Okay, in 7th grade, you only have to know 10 of the body systems, so you don't have to know about the immune system. What I want you to do with this chart is I want you to write it in your journal, but a very specific way. You're going to write down circulatory system, and then beside it, write down the function. Then you're going to write digestive system. Then beside it, you're going to write down the function. Endocrine system. Beside it, write down the function. So do that for all 10 of your body systems. We will be looking for it. So in this whole body systems unit, which is going to take us about 6 weeks or so, we have an underlying theme, and that's how our body systems work together to maintain homeostasis. Homeostasis is just a balance. It's the ability of an organism to maintain a relatively stable internal environment. It's how do all our systems work together to keep us all nice and balanced, okay, to help us maintain homeostasis. And we're going to be bringing back this word with lots of the next videos. So it's time for the nervous system. There it is. All right, so the whole function or job, and I'm going to say those two words together all the time until one day you'll be like, hey, function, job, same thing. But the function and job of the nervous system is that it receives information from the whole environment through our senses, like our sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. And it controls how our body reacts to this new information that we got from our senses. And it's also our center for all thought and reason. There are 3 major organs: the brain. Oh, look at that beautiful brain. And then there's the spinal cord. Here's what it actually looks like. So with the spinal cord, you've got the actual spinal column, this right here. Okay? And then you've got the cord that's inside the column. It protects it. It's kind of cool. And then the nervous system is made up of nerves, nerve cells, which are the coolest looking of all the nerve cells. Here's another really nifty one. Now that we talked about the nervous system, let's talk about the endocrine system, whose sole function or job is to regulate all of the body systems, all of them, using what's called hormones. Most of us have heard of the word hormones, but hormones act as this cool internal stimuli that tells your body to react in a certain way, such as adrenaline, that is our fight or flight hormone, and it helps our body react in times of distress, to either want to, put up your dukes and take control, or to be like, no, can't win this one, and take off. And hormones travel to all of our organs or tissues through the circulatory system, the highway of the body. Hormones help with tons of things, though, besides fight or flight. They also help with how we grow and the nutrients and minerals that we get into the blood. What I want you to understand is it's not just puberty. I swear that says puberty. Okay, so guys, it's not just puberty. Hormones go way beyond just that. So keep that in your mind. And the whole organ of the endocrine system is the glands. And in the picture, you can see that there are tons of glands. You don't have to know them specifically. You just have to know endocrine system is made of glands. Now on to the digestive system, whose job is to break down large molecules of food into small molecules that can be used as chemical energy for our cells. Breaking this food down helps prepare it to be absorbed into the circulatory system so that it can be transported where it needs to. And it also removes solid wastes. Poop. Okay, that's feces. The organs are the mouth, esophagus, liver, stomach, small intestines, large intestines, and anus. And fun fact, food never travels through the liver. Okay, so here's the path of digestion. Food goes into your mouth, goes down through your esophagus, goes into your stomach. From stomach, we go to the small intestines. From small intestines, it goes to the large intestine. And large intestine, it goes out the anus, where, FYI, you're going to need one of these things. Here are the sources for our pictures. Well, that's a wrap. So join me next time when we talk more about body systems. Catch you later.